Today unboxing is on the Mini GT Christmas Edition, the Bentley Continental GT3 with the livery design by the Bentley designer, filled in, a one-of-its-kind casting, prepared just for this occasion. The Bentley is looking smart on the packaging. The design comprises of many Christmas motifs without looking cliche and looking premium on this casting. It's also very well balanced and a nice spray of elements. A Christmas edition for 2020, the GT3 is also a limited edition of 9,999. Casting wise is totally unexpected. What amazes me is the gold accent that is very striking on the body and the wheel set. Many would have chose to avoid chrome gold, but just for this occasion, I think it's looking great. The design is definitely very well played. A good job done by the designer in Bentley, which still retains its premiumness with a smart play of elements. The foil stripe in champagne gold that cut across the body is clean. The gold accent on the grille is a nice touch. No suspension for the Bentley. Chrome gold wheel set rolls extremely well. Very nice and well played design with the Merry Christmas message on the rear wing. Nice details on the rear with plastic insert rear lights. The gold paint under the rear wing is a bonus. Clean slate metal base with the Mini GT logo. And overall a very awesome Christmas presentation from Mini GT. The choice for the Bentley Continental GT3 as a Christmas casting is definitely a very good call. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.